Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Shiftless, SoCal, California. Welcome to Rides and Wrecks. Man, this is a stunning 1986 ATC. It's beautiful. We just got done finishing it. Now we need to test it out. I know it looks like we're in the forest, but we're really not. We're actually on the street. It's kind of, it's really dangerous to be driving these on the street. You got to be careful when you steer. They can catch, they can fly. We got our little camera up front here. Hopefully you don't see me flying over the handlebars. That would be a bad move. But you know what? Let's take it for a little spin. We're going to check out the brakes, check out the gears. Maybe we'll do a drive-by, fast-y. We'll just have to feel how the heart's feeling. Let's get started. Whoa! So far, so good. Let's make sure the gas is on. What we want to do is let it warm up, let it get some heat in it. We don't want to run it when it's cold. Put our helmet on. Let's see if we can get you up and go here. So there you have it. This little stallion and this old stallion looking good on this bike. I want to thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks, and ATC restorations.